What's up, Wayne Barron here with Dark Effects Studios, and today we're inside of my Pixel 4a, and it has done an update, and I don't like the update. The update is, well, simply this right here. Let's go ahead and phone up. Okay, Google. And as you can see here, we got Ask Gemini. So let's remove that. Let's try it again. What is this song? I can't tell you what this song is playing because I don't have access to real-time audio from your environment. I am a language model and I can't hear anything. No crap. So what we do here is that we gotta get rid of Gemini. So how we get rid of Gemini is that we come over here. Okay, let's go inside of settings. I'm going to scroll down to apps, and we're going to go to assistant, and then we're going to scroll down again. We're going to come over here to digital assistant from Google. See, right now it's sitting at Gemini. For whatever stupid reason, Google thought it was a good idea to automatically switch it from the irregular assistant to Gemini. So we're going to go ahead and choose Gemini. We're going to go ahead and switch back to the Google Assistant. We're going to choose switch. And then we're going to back out of everything. Okay, now. Okay, Google. What is this song?
Play, sing, or hum a song.
And there we go. We've got our bars here, so now we can find out what the heck is playing on the radio. I'm assuming this is an issue for all of the Google type of phone environments. So y'all all have to do this if y'all want to be able to find a song that is playing. Y'all got to change this setting from Gemini back to the original Google Assistant. All right, I am Wayne Barron for Dark Effects Studios. Y'all have a good one now. Bye bye.